Today I'm going to show you a lovely arrangement that you can do at home with the children for Easter. All I've done, I've got a nice piece of log, like that sort of thing. This I've got this out of my garden, it's contorted hazel, and all I've done is just twisted it round. Because it's supple and it's fresh, it kind of bends into all sorts of shapes, and there's all like little buds coming out there. So I'm just going to place that on. Then all I've got, if you go around the house and just find any little bottles you've got, so you can use anything you've got, little milk bottles or whatever. This one I've just got it's got like a little milk mortar thing on it. And I'm going to just place that in the centre. In this one I've put some pussy willow, some gorgeous scented stocks, and some lilac tulips. Some of these things we've got out of the shop, which you can either pick out of the garden or you can purchase them from any good florist. But you will have to, obviously we're still in lockdown, so you would have to order them, pay for them over the phone and then collect them from our collection points, or you can get things out of the garden. That's clematis, so I'm going to put a little pot of that to that side. What I try and do is put the same variety in each pot. Those are out of my mum's garden, little lilac-y flowers, and I hope you're not going to ask me what they are because I'm not quite sure of the name of those. So I'm just going to place that around on the other side, so we're balancing the colours, this sort of thing. Oh, and a shout out to Kevin, because I'm sure Kevin at Kerry Care will be watching this. I think we're going to need shears for the hair now because it's getting so long. A little pot of daffodils, that's in like a little bottle. And then these are out of the garden. These again are out of Mum's garden. Those are Helleborus or Christmas rose, which you just place. I think I've perhaps done too many bottles here, but this will be gorgeous if you're having an Easter meal with the family, and then you've got this in the centre, and then all the little pots of little flowers all around. Really like woodenly. I love this sort of look. And then what I'm just going to do, we sell this flat moss. I'm just going to put that little tufts of it just in between to make it look really like as if they're all growing. So like I say, very easy. It's great for the kids to do. Just picking little bits of things out of the garden and putting them in little pots. As you can imagine, that be a little Easter meal. And that's it. That's it. So simple and so easy to do. I love little things like this. So you can put your little pots all around and that. So don't forget, we can get all this for you. If you want contorted hazel, I can get that out of the garden for you, that's no problem. And we sell the little daffs and tulips and, like I said, little things out of the garden that you just see coming into flower now. My mum's got some lovely little snowdrops at the moment, which are really cute. So there you go, that's your little Easter arrangement.